In this video, we will explain how to customize your workshop emails and communication templates in Mechanic Desk. We'll begin by clicking on Settings in the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Then click on Workshop Details, then Email Settings. This is where you can change the look of all emails sent from your workshop by Mechanic Desk. Here you can upload the logo image that will display in your emails. Click on the logo, add file, and select the file. Ensure this is an image file, otherwise it will not show. Also, ensure that the image is a maximum of 600 pixels by 100 pixels in size. Otherwise, it may display incorrectly in emails. Then click Save. You can adjust the logo background color, alignment, and positioning here. When you click Save, your changes should be reflected in the Preview section on the right. Now let's customize the actual content of our emails and other forms of communication by clicking on Communication Templates on the left. This is where you can customize each type of message that may come out of your workshop, either via email or SMS. This includes templates such as booking confirmations, invoice emails, job done SMS, service reminders, and more. Let's customize our booking confirmation as an example. You can customize the subject line and message by clicking on the fields. As you can see, there are variables that you can include in the message to dynamically insert relevant information for this template. For example, you can see that the workshop name, customer name, and booking date and time are included as variables. When the message is sent, Mechanic Desk will populate these variables with the correct information. To use these variables, enter a percentage sign, followed by curly brackets with the variable name nested inside it. The applicable variables for this communication template can be found underneath, along with an example. You can also generate hyperlinks by following this syntax and example here. Note that hyperlinks only work in emails and will appear as simple URLs in SMS. Ensure you take note of the estimated value here. This tells you how many characters the message currently contains, and in result, how many SMS messages it would require to send. One SMS contains a maximum of 160 characters. Going over this limit as we have done here will charge you for 2 SMS sent, and so on. Mechanic Desk charges 10 cents per SMS, which is billed at the end of each subscription period. Remember to click Save to save your changes. In this video, we covered how to customize your emails in Mechanic Desk and how to customize the various communication templates that will come out of your workshop. If you have any further questions regarding Mechanic Desk, please contact our customer service team. We are here to help.